Hey everybody, in this video we're going to be unboxing, we being my friend Lindsey and I, we're going to be unboxing this new Rebind from ICA Bibles. Lindsey is a good friend of mine. She works with my wife. We've been friends for 20 years. And she reached out to me about rebinding her old Bible. And I happen to know some guys that are a lot better than me. So as a surprise to her, I actually sent it off to my buddy John at ICA. And you're about to see what it looks like. She is too. So stay tuned. Isn't it awesome? He did great, didn't he?
Yes.
Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for tuning into this. Lindsey, are you excited? I mean, this is kind of cool.
Yes.
Have you ever had a rebound Bible?
No.
And the Bible she gave me, this chick has been beating it up. Like, she has been using this Bible. So I know that you're going to really appreciate this. You ready to dig into it?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to let you do the honors. Now, don't cut me, but give it a whirl. So I might have to actually cut the wrapping. I'm gonna move this box out of your way.
Okay.
This is an ESV thin line. Now let's keep unwrapping, keep unwrapping. And my buddy John does an amazing job. Now the only thing you picked out, I sent you a picture of some leathers and you picked out the color leather you want.
Yep.
Okay. Can you kind of verbalize your opinions so far?
I love it.
Isn't that awesome?
I absolutely love it.
I love that first reaction.
I like the extra bookmarks in it too. Oh, I love it.
Isn't that nice?
Yes. Beau, that is wonderful.
Yeah, John does a really great job, and along with this unboxing, I'm gonna do a little quick review of this Rebind. That way I don't hold it any longer for my buddy Lindsey. But this is a Badalassi Nemesis cowhide, 5 raised ribs on the spine, Holy Bible ESV, and his ICA logo. There's burgundy stitching around the perimeter with these nice tooled lines around the perimeter of the cover as well. It has a lot of great flexibility. You can see it's already a broken in Bible, but the binding's not stiff. It'll be great for reading and holding and all those things. It also has 2 Beresford 10mm ribbons, this burgundy color, which really matches well with the stitching color. On the inside, it has this purple, beautiful lambskin liner with this interior gilt line going around the perimeter. So it really adds a nice little touch of gold. So the end sheets are also a matching color to this lambskin liner. It's a crushed dark red imitation leather end sheet, which has a cool feel. What do you think, Lindsey? Like, is this exceeding your expectations?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes. And this Bible means a lot to me, being that Joel gave it to me. So yes, I love it.
Yeah. From when? 2010, right? It just was.
It was the December after the November of us marrying. So it's 11 years old. We got this. We got each other Bibles for Christmas that year.
Oh, that's special.
So he gave it to me for Christmas. So yes, I love it. I will keep this forever. And
for all of you who get rebinds, and maybe it's your first rebind for Lindsey especially, the best way to treat these is with your hand oil. You don't have to put any extra kind of polish or any kind of conditioner on it. Your natural hand oils will be the best thing for this edition, and judging by its use, that is not going to be a problem.
I love it. Thank you very, very much.
Well, thank you to John at ICA. I'm going to leave John's information in the description below. And it's just really a special moment. This is why John does this. This is why I do this. This is why I make videos. This is why John rebinds. It's for this moment, for my friend Lindsey, to see her excited about her Bible and excited to get to read it, the sentimentality of it being a gift from her husband. It's just really special. The Bible is special. And having it rebound, a special edition like this, makes it even more special. So I know that's a quick video unboxing a little review of John's work. It's a splendid work, guys. It really is. The line work's incredible. The stitching's amazing. His corner work is really really great around the edges. The radius is nice and consistent. All of his lines are consistent. It's just really great work. Really great work. That Battle Lassie Nemesis cowhide cover is really, really nice and unique. It's going to be an addition that you're going to love for years, decades to come, and hopefully pass down.
I was about to say, pass it down to my babies one day.
Yeah.
Yep.
Well, that's awesome. Well, thank you guys for watching. As with every video, I give away a Bible every time. So if you are this person right here, then you want a Bible. So thank you guys for watching and commenting, because that's how you get eligible for a giveaway. As always, please be sure to like and subscribe and those things, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. And thanks for watching. Take care. God bless.